In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page to your website's main navigation menu. If you want visitors to easily find an important page on your site, adding it to the main navigation is one of the quickest and most effective things you can do. The main navigation is the menu that usually appears in your site's header, so placing a page there makes it much more visible and accessible. To begin, go to Pages in your side menu. This is where all of your website's pages are organized, and it's the area you'll use to control how those pages appear in your site navigation. Once you open Pages, take a moment to look through the list so you can identify where your current pages are located. Next, locate your target page under the Not Linked section. Pages in this section are still part of your website, but they are not currently displayed in your main site navigation. That means visitors typically won't see them in the header menu unless they access them another way, such as through a direct link or another page on your site. If you have several pages listed here, make sure you select the correct one before moving forward. Once you've found the page you want to display, click and drag the page up into the main navigation section. As you drag it, you'll be able to position it among your other menu items. This lets you control not only whether the page appears in the navigation, but also where it appears in the order of your menu. Try placing it in the spot that makes the most sense for your visitors, especially if the order of your navigation is important for usability. As soon as you drop the page into the main navigation section, your page link will instantly appear in your site's header menu. In most cases, the change is applied right away, so your navigation updates immediately. This makes it easy to test and adjust if needed. If you want, you can quickly preview your site after making the change to confirm the page appears exactly where you expected. This is especially helpful if you're organizing several menu items and want to make sure your navigation remains clean and easy to use. That's all it takes to add a page to your main navigation. It's a simple update, but it can make a big difference in how easily visitors move through your site.